Alright, what's up everyone? And as we've discussed before in the previous episode, that we will be driving a car to break in the engine for some time. And now we have a small modification on my FRS where I'll be installing something new. I'll be fabricating something new. I had already made a quick model on it, so I'll show you a bit later, and we will show you how we will be installing this. But let's forget about this one. We are here to discuss about this BRZ, and he's playing with the jack, the floor jack. Anyways, so today we will be installing the oil cooler, and we will see how we can um, plug this one, because we cannot find the wire around here, but we've seen the diagram and everything, so we need to get this thing working as soon as possible. The relocation of the oil cooler, it was before at the same location, but because of this is installed right now, we will be changing it and make a bit of modifications where we will make the cooler stands a bit forward, so the fitting will be installed right here, and we will see. Hopefully it becomes perfect. So yeah, so guys, I will be yeah, as I've said, I will be working with this one. I'll be using this metal sheet, so I'll show you later on how I will cut it and how I will be fabricating this. I'll take some off this corrosion here. So yeah, I'll be using this. Bruh, this sounds good. Yeah, well, it sounds good. Alright, now we're actually working on we're fabricating the oil cooler mounts, and I hope this works because I made some marks. I've marked the holes and everything, and I feel like I did not do a good job right now, but I don't know. We will see. So, already we made the holes here. Alright, we've already made the holes. Now I had to make the hole a little bit bigger. Alright, and just to measure the bolts and nuts and how they will enter and everything. They're good. Now we need to cut this extra piece that we have, and I guess actually it's kind of a scary thing. Give me a second. I'll bring my gloves. The gloves are soaked with oil, right?
Yes.
I'll bring something else. Something came on my face. I don't know how to hold it. Anyways, I guess. Alright, we shall start. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Eh. Ready? Let's go. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. What? That's why it just got a whole grip. And look at this, look at this, look at this. It actually damaged the blade. Oh well, let's go. And that's how it's done. Alright guys, so anyways, so yeah, this is the new mount we've fabricated. It needs a little bit of cutting and this and that. Now we've installed it here with the old mount it had before. This is the old one. We use it again. We just tilted it because we need to make sure that everything is working here, such as the water pump, this tank, and this one. The both of the oil lines should be going from here, leaving from here, and from inside it goes to the oil adapter plate. So I guess this is what we shall do for now. We will just measure the lines, cut them out, crimp them on their fittings and everything. What do you gotta say? Let's go. I'm shining, brother. Why would you record with a flash? Anyways, so we've completed making these. Alright, so already we've known how long we need these hoses. So these hoses will be around like a meter and a half, almost, I think, yeah, or maybe less than that. So yeah, the 90 degree will be here, and both of the straight will go there, and only one straight will be on this side, on the other side. So we'll just make sure that the oil cooler is already clean. We'll fix this, install and not fix them. We will have to cut that fog light mounts, so there will be more air going directly to the oil cooler. And then we've got to tight the adapter plate, as well as we need to install the wastegate pipe. We've already welded that flange on it, the V-band flange, and
13 psi spring.
And we'll change also the spring on it. We'll change also the spring on it. More boost. Anyways, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we will do this, and we were planning to install the spout fans on the oil cooler, but for now we'll just ditch it for some time until later, and then we will install it again because we need some how can I say it, we need to make sure of the area there actually fits it or not. So I guess for that we better get this thing finished, because we've got work tomorrow and we've got to wake up early, and also we need to play some of that Overwatch, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we've been playing Overwatch. Alright guys, now we're going to a grocery shop. I don't know, we don't want to work, خلاص, enough for today. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anyways, we're going here to find some few things we need to buy for the house. What the hell is that guy doing? Anyways, so we need to buy some stuff for the house, and then we'll continue in with our work. Wow, okay, طاير ده. Anyways, so this is what we are supposed to do, so we can finish it off. It's already 9 p.m. Yeah, 9 p.m. It's almost 9. So yeah, I guess we're get ثاني get ثاني get. Anyway, so ايه والله ملل ترى. وباش شعلنها مالك انت. عايش في الهند. وصلنا. We have just arrived, so we'll buy this thing. هذا ما يمشي بطيء، ما تلحق والله ما تلحق والله، مرفوعة من ورا والله. Alright, so we finished installing almost everything, and we did not have enough time to change the wastegate spring. Hello! Anyways, so this is how the oil cooler looks like. This is how it looked. We ended up cutting this. Actually, we were planning to cut it either ways, because we need better airflow for the oil cooler here, and this is the remains. This is the remains. So yeah, the power tools we've used, and yep. Oops. Yes, this is about it. He's trying to install something right now. Alright, it's done. He's happy. He wants to hear that. He doesn't want to hear. I'm actually glad that mine, I don't have that pipe, so I would hear that. You have to take it off and install it again. Anyways, guys. Oops. Anyways, guys. What happened? Oh, okay. Anyways, guys. So this is it for today. This is it for today. And after installing all of these, changing the oil and everything, we are actually waiting for one remaining part for the car, which is the, what is it? Injectors. The injectors. Now we're waiting for the injectors to arrive, then we will install them, and we will also, at the same time, we will be changing the springs on the wastegate, and then we'll hopefully tune the car and see how much it performs and how much power it would produce, because this guy is going crazy this time. He's going crazy. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it? Anyways, he's struggling. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next episodes.